Hey y'all. Well, do you remember here a while back I said I needed a bigger boat? Well, check this out. Ta-da! A bigger boat. 1987 Bayliner Contessa, 28 feet long, 10 feet wide. The boat, from the bottom of the boat to the top is like 9.5, but to the ground it's like 12.5. So we're going to start working on this. It's going to be a project boat. I'm going to take video of every little thing on it as I do it. And I'm going to put some videos on here of how we got the boat, how much we paid for the boat, who I had to deal with to get to the boat, how long it took me to get to the boat, and we're going to fix a bunch of things on it. I'm going to videotape everything. I got some videos coming of the delivery, not the delivery, but me bringing it home from where I picked it up. It was about 99 miles away. So just wanted to bring this to you. I'm going to show you around the boat. We're going to do some things to it pretty quickly. So let's take a look at it. We're going to take that swim platform off. First thing, pull the lower unit right there out and cover that hole, because I'm going to put an outboard on it, an Armstrong bracket and an outboard. All the through holes needs to be done. It's got a lot of scratches and scrapes and things like that, but it ain't too bad. Of course, all the windows are going to be replaced. The through holes, all the through holes are going to be replaced. I'm getting ready to take this railing off. I'm thinking I'm going to do the outside first, get it all looking good, and then we'll start working on the inside. Take this anchor part off, and I think I may have to put a tarp over the front of it because the windows are leaking. I'm going to do some caulking right now. We've got rain coming in for the next 4 days. I'm eventually going to build a building all the way around it. We are going to lift it up and pull it off this trailer because the trailer's junk. But pretty much everything comes off of it. And new bottom paint's going to be put on it. New paint, gel coat. We're waxing the whole thing 100 times before we put it in the water. I'll show you the inside next. If you think this is something you're going to like, follow along with me. And share the video, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and please comment on anything. I need all the help I can get on this one. Alright, we'll talk to you soon. Hey, look y'all, I got the railing off. Wasn't too bad. All the joints was corroded. The stainless steel rod, it ain't too bad. Plus I have new fittings in a bag down below, so I hope I have enough. I'm going to try to get that anchor plate, bowsprit, whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure what you call it. I'm going to try to get that off, and then maybe the anchor windlass up there. Try to get that off, and then those two little rods up here that was holding the railing on. What I want to do is put a tarp over this so the rain don't get in. I did caulk all the windows and the hatches, but still I'm going to put a tarp over it. I am going to buy a little air conditioner and put it up top there and let it go through one of the hatches. Let me show you the railing over here. Came apart fairly easy. That's the railing. It came apart right there. So I tried to get this one apart over here, and it looks like they put some kind of little plastic in it right there to join the two together. And of course this fitting here was down here. I think I can use it though. I'm just going to have to replace all these fittings. And I also got anchor line right here. I got it stretched 4 or 5 places. Man, it's a long way down there. I don't think that anchor is big enough though. Alright, let's try to take this thing off. It's got 4 screws on the very top up there. I bet it's not going to be that easy though. Looks like there's a crap load of caulking in there. Let's see what happens. Y'all don't want my butt in your face, do you? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, well, froze up. Oh, there's one. I don't believe their mother's gonna be that easy. May have to grind them off and of course one bolt came out, the other 3 just rounded themselves off. So hey guys, I don't know how long this video is going to be, but hey, share it, subscribe, like, hit the bell, and we'll see you next time.